Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Baritone for Minecraft 1.19 or 1.19. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to check baritone availability. First, check if baritone is available and compatible with the specific version of Minecraft you want to use. You can find this information on the mod developers website, Minecraft forums, or modding community platforms. Next is to install Forge or Fabric. Most Minecraft mods require a modding platforms such as Forge or Fabric to run. Make sure you have the correct version of Forge or Fabric installed for the Minecraft version you intend to use. Next is to download Baritone. If Baritone is available for your desired Minecraft version, download the mod file from the official source or a reputable modding website. Ensure you are downloading it from a safe and trusted source. Now, locate Minecraft Mods folder. Open your Minecraft installation directory and find the Mods folder. On Windows, the default location is just go ahead and search for percentage update percentage. Then go to Minecraft, find mods. And when you are using Mac, you can find it at library, then application support, then Minecraft, then mods. Okay? On Linux, I'm sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong, it is usually at Minecraft and find mods. Okay? Now, place Baritone mode file. Move the downloaded Baritone mode file into the mods folder. And now, launch Minecraft. Launch Minecraft using the Forge or Fabric profile depending on the modding platform you installed. And finally, verify Baritone. Once in-game, you can verify if Baritone is installed correctly by checking the mod lists or using any available mod commands. Always exercise caution when installing mods and only download them from trusted sources to ensure the safety and stability of your Minecraft game. Additionally, make sure you have a backup of your Minecraft worlds before installing any mods. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!